Caged bird sings the songs of freedom. No one's listening. Diamonds in her eyes are shining like crowns in her hair. Caged birds sing the songs of freedom, highways of your mind. But sometimes you think that life gets you down. Caged bird will sing the songs for you, so I'm caged now, 'cause a cage is not meant to be our home. Caged bird sings for the freedom within. So take Miss wings and free this bird tonight. Caged birds sing the songs of loving, 'cause the people want to feel some love. Caged bird sings because the fire beneath her wings is coming. Oh, 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 oh. Caged bird sings, so freedom within, and somewhere beyond this lies the power of happiness. And caged bird sing, but no one listening. And a caged bird sings on and on her song.